Okay, let's create another monkey. The orangutan. Okay, let me show you. We need 2 balloons here. Okay, green and I think white. Okay, first things first. Inflate a balloon like this with 4 to 5 inches allowance here. And this is 3 to 5 inches. But actually, to be honest with you, I will not use the entire size of this. I only use this length. Later, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, but first things to show it to you is, of course, the first part of the orangutan, the body. Okay, the body. Okay, so let's create the arm. Oh, sorry, the head. I think this would be fine. The head. This is the head. The head of our orangutan. And this is the arm. Alright. And now, small feet for this tiny creature here. I think that's enough for the feet of our orangutan. And now, this is it. So we need to adjust this balloon because we don't need the entire size of the balloon. Only this size, maybe. Okay, perhaps this. So, with that said, we need to adjust. We need to pull out some air here from the balloon. Okay. Alright, now, for the head of our orangutan is simply just create 2 bubbles here. Alright. Another bubble here. And put all 2 bubbles together. Remember, 1 inch bubble and another inch bubble. Put it together as a loop like this. And don't forget to tie it. Just like that. Okay. Now, 2 inches. Another 2 inches bubble here. And another 2 inches bubble here. Okay. I think that's enough for this. Alright. Alright. Now, we need to lock this entirely. Just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, this is the head of our orangutan. Okay, that's it. Now we need to put this here. Okay. So again, we need to put this here. Alright. And we have an instant orangutan. And of course, let's pretend that this is the tree of our monkey, the orangutan. Orangutan. See? How cute this is. How cute it is. Orangutan. See? Hope you like it. Thank you so much.